Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. We are studying about states of matter and the material things. As we know that matter exists in three states: solids, liquids, and gases. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. We know that on heating and cooling, these states of matter can change from one state to another. For example, the chocolate that you eat is a solid, is in solid state and it can melt on heating. So solid state changes to liquid. This is called melting. Different processes through which one state of matter can change to another. One of them is the melting. Melting is a process by which a solid changes into a liquid, like your chocolate melts into liquid or ice changes into liquid. We know that ice is actually water and it is in solid form. On heating, this ice changes into liquid and it again turns to the liquid state, that is water. This process is known as melting. The temperature at which a solid melts is known as melting point. So we can say that ice changes into liquid at 0 degrees centigrade. So 0 degree centigrade is the melting point of ice.